What's going on, boys and girls? Today we're going to be making a creamy garlic butter shrimp and scallop rice bake. This is going to be a delicious recipe. I saw this recipe online and I said I would make it my own. So we're not going to do it like I saw it online. We're going to make it our own. Here we go, guys. Y'all like, share, comment on this video. Let me know if you're going to try something like this. Let's do it. It's really a simple recipe. You got about a pound of shrimp and scallops right there, 1 cup of rice. We got some chicken broth. I'm going to use 2 cups of that. White pepper, mustard, paprika, salt, onion powder, garlic powder. Got some minced, what is that? Grated Parmesan, oregano, Parmesan and Romano. Got some heavy whipping cream, and we got some mozzarella cheese. And we can't forget the butter. Can't forget the butter. 3 tablespoons of butter. Let's put it together. So the first thing we're going to do is mix your rice in, 1 cup of rice with your 2 cups of chicken broth, and you're going to give that a stir. This is in a heavy frying pan right here. This is a cast iron frying pan. Next thing we're going to do is make our sauce. We're going to start off with 3 tablespoons of butter. We're going to melt that. Oh, and before I go any further, I didn't have the garlic out. I actually had the name of the recipe in my title, but did not have the garlic out. We got to have that garlic. All right, once your butter is melted, we're going to use 1 heaping tablespoon of minced garlic. And that was a heaping. We're going to give that a stir for about 30 seconds or so, just until it becomes kind of fragrant. Until it makes it smell real good, y'all. And we'll come back in just a second. Next thing we're going to do is pour in our heavy cream. And give that a mix. Now we don't want to boil this, so don't have your heat up too high. You don't want to boil it. Next, we're going to add in our 1/2 cup of grated Parmesan and Romano cheese. Going to give that a nice little stir. This is going to be so good, y'all. You cannot tell me this is not going to be good. Get those chunks out of there. Again, we don't want to boil this. Just get the chunks out. We'll be right back here. Then we're going to add in a 1/2 teaspoon of salt right there. Give it a little stir. I'm going to add in about the same amount of pepper. We're just going to eyeball it. You know, this white pepper can be really, really hot, y'all. So again, we're eyeballing that. Same amount of paprika. Got a 1/2 teaspoon of that. Going to add some mustard powder, same amount. Just going to give it a little bit of a twang. And what am I missing? I'm using a little bit of onion powder. There ain't much onion powder in here, y'all. We're going to add some in here. But there ain't much in this tube here. And even though we're using garlic, we're going to put in some garlic powder just to give it that extra garlic flavor here. Now, if you don't want to use any of these ingredients because you don't like them, don't use them. Let's give everything a stir here. Again, we're just going to heat this up here. Just make sure everything is nice and smooth. And we'll come right back. Alrighty, now we're going to add our cream to our rice mixture here. That's our rice and our chicken broth. Add that in, just get the majority of it out of there. Gonna give it a stir till it's nice and smooth. Alright, we're gonna stir this till it's nice and smooth, y'all. And we'll come right back. All right, now we're going to add our shrimp and scallops here. Just kind of arrange them, nicely. They're going to sink down in there. And I'm not going to go through this whole thing. Y'all know how I am. I don't like a really, really long video. But I didn't want to do a short on this one right here. I wanted y'all to see the whole thing. Alrighty, once you get everything in there, we're going to get a heavy lid. And this one so happens to come with a heavy lid. It's all cast iron. We're going to put this in the oven, 375 degrees for about 25 minutes. All right, y'all, after about 25 minutes, take it out and we're going to spread some mozzarella cheese on top. All right, that goes back in the oven and we're going to leave it uncovered this time for about 10 to 12 minutes. We're going to take this baby out and let this cool down. This is going to be delicious, y'all. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, share, comment. Hit that little thumbs up to send the notifications out for more people to see it. And y'all have a great day. Peace.